higher than Daddy.
Things that elevates relationships, tandana relationships. Things that elevates relationships, tandana relationships. Making each other laugh, young to mean. Things that elevates relationships, tandana relationships. Things that elevates relationships, tandana relationships.
Things that elevate relationship. Always on time, every day Valentine, every day Valentine. Anytime, no other time, loyal, never slide.
Put your attention, love no cheat. Loving and caring never increase. Some of them not know true love, I do it. That the girl know that me too sweet, that me too sweet, that me too sweet.
Things that elevates relationships, tandana relationships. Things that elevates relationships, tandana relationships. Making each other laugh, young to mean. Things that elevates relationships, tandana relationships. Things that elevates relationships, tandana relationships. Active care, telling the truth. Owning mistake, feeling like a best friend. Make each other change, let it other change. Feeling safe to be vulnerable. Being open about what you need. Apologize when it's appropriate. Making time to simple relax. Together trying to see each other. Things that elevates relationships, tandana relationships. Things that elevates relationships, tandana relationships. Making each other laugh, young to mean. Things that elevates relationships, tandana relationships. Things that elevates relationships, tandana relationships.